Hello dear students, in this session we are going to study the circle. Circle chapter we are going to complete in two parts. In first part we are going to study the different forms of equation of circle. That is standard equation, general equation and two forms of equation of circle. That is center radius form and diameter form. That all things we are going to cover in this video. That is part 1, forms of equation of circle. Myself, Professor Vaishali Bharat Gholap. See, what is mean by circle? Circle is the set of all points in a plane which are at a fixed distance from a fixed point. That locus we call it. A circle is also locus. Locus means what? A set of points which satisfy some geometrical condition. Which geometrical condition is satisfied by these points? That is distance of all these points on this green circle are at equidistance from this point O, that is origin. That geometrical condition is satisfied by these points. That's why that this figure we call it as a circle. Circle is the set of all points in a plane which are at a fixed distance from a fixed point. That fixed point we call it as the center of the circle. Fixed distance we call it as the radius of the circle. P is any point on the locus of the circle that whose coordinates are x and y, and circle is a set of all points in a plane. This is x, xy plane. Clear definition of circle? Circle is the set of all points in a plane which are at a fixed distance from a fixed point. The fixed point is called the center of the circle and fixed distance is called the radius of the circle. Now standard equation of circle. Standard equation of circle means equation of circle whose center is at origin. Origin means what? Intersection of x-axis and y-axis. That we call it as a origin. And coordinates of the origins are always 0, 0. Then standard equation of circle. See, this is the circle whose center is at the origin. Means intersection of x-axis and y-axis. They intersect at the point O, that we call it as origin, whose coordinates are 0, 0. Let we assume one point on this locus, that is P, whose coordinates are x and y. And distance OP is nothing but the radius of the circle. We represent as A. Okay, we have studied the in plane coordinate geometry distance formula. As we know, the origin coordinates are 0, 0. We assume one point P on the locus of the circle whose coordinates are x and y. We know the P coordinates and O coordinates, and OP is a radius. By using the distance formula, what is distance formula? Distance formula is distance square is equal to x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square. By using that, here you can see here distance is A. This is x2. x2 minus x1 plus y2 minus y1. x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. Square root means that is the distance between OP. Okay, by using the distance formula, we can write down square root x minus 0 square plus y minus 0 square is equal to A. Now, when we square both the sides, we will get x minus 0 square plus y minus 0 square is equal to A square. There is no square of 0 is 0. That's why x square plus y square is equal to A square. This is the equation of circle whose center is at the origin. That equation we call it as a standard equation of circle. That we call it as a standard equation of circle. Standard equation of circle is x square plus y square is equal to A square. Now, say another forms of equation of circle is center radius form and diameter form. Okay, the equation of circle with center C, whose coordinates are h and k, and radius r is given by, and there will be a point P whose coordinates are x and y. Okay, by using the distance formula, I have told you that distance formula is x2 square root x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square. That is the distance formula. By applying the distance formula, why? Because we know the coordinates of C and coordinates of P, and CP is the radius. To find out the radius, we are applying the distance formula, that is x2 is x and x1 is h, means x minus h bracket square plus y minus k bracket square is equal to r square. This is the center radius form. When center and radius is given, how to find out the equation of circle? By using this center radius form. That is x minus h bracket square plus y minus k bracket square is equal to r square. We are going to solve some problems in next video. Now another form of equation of circle is diameter form. Diameter form, the equation of circle described on the line joining A, B. A coordinates are x1, y1, B coordinates are x2, y2 as a diameter. Then diameter form will be x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 is equal to 0. This is a diameter form. Okay. These are the some standard forms, some forms of circles equation. Now we are going to see the general equation of circle. Okay. General equation of circle. In these slides, we are going to study how to find out the general equation, and from general equation, when general equation is given, how to find out the center and radius. Okay, this is a center radius form we have studied in we have seen in previous slide, that is x minus h bracket square plus y minus k square is equal to r square. Now we are going to simplify, means we have to find out the expansion of this x minus h bracket square, that will be x square minus 2hx plus h square plus expansion of this y minus k bracket square is y square minus 2ky plus k square is equal to r square. Here only we expand the bracket. Okay, square x minus h bracket square and y minus k bracket square. X minus h bracket square is x square minus 2hx plus h square plus y square minus 2ky plus k square is equal to r square. Now we are rearranging the elements of this equation. Okay, x square plus y square minus 2hx minus 2ky plus h square plus k square minus r square is equal to 0. Now here we are going to write minus h is equal to g, minus k is equal to f, and h square plus k square minus r square is equal to c. Then we will get the general equation of circle, that is x square plus y square plus, as we put minus h is equal to g, means here plus 2gx plus minus k is equal to f, then it will be plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. This is the general equation of circle. Again I repeat, x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. These steps you have to follow when center and radius are given. When center and radius is given, we have to use the center radius form and find out the equation of circle. Now reverse case, if the equation is given, how to find out the center and radius? That also we are going to see in this slide only. Okay, see, this is the general equation of circle. X square plus y square is plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Now consider the equation, same equation. I only shifted plus c on opposite side, that will be the minus c. Now we are going to add both the sides, g square plus f square. Okay, then we will get x square plus 2gx plus g square plus y square plus 2fy plus f square is equal to g square plus f square minus c. When we add g square plus f square both the sides of this equation, we will get x square plus 2gx plus g square plus y square plus 2fy plus f square is equal to g square plus f square minus c. Okay, now you can see, observe critically, x square plus 2gx plus g square is the square of x plus g square, and y square plus 2fy plus f square is the square of y plus f bracket square. Then we can write this as x plus g square and this as a y plus f square is equal to g square root g square plus f square minus C bracket square. Again here all are square. Okay. Now we know that here in previous we write minus minus h is equal to g and minus k is equal to f. Here if we can write x plus g is x minus minus g. Can we write? Because minus minus plus y minus minus f square. Minus minus will be plus, means we are not changing the equation, only we are writing in place of plus g, we are writing minus minus g, means we are not changing the equation. Why we have write? Because in previously we have write minus h is equal to g and minus k is equal to f. That's why here we write x minus minus g bracket square plus y minus minus f bracket square is equal to square root g square plus f square minus c bracket square. Now this equation now is in which form? Center radius form. You can see here x minus h bracket square plus y minus k bracket square is equal to r square. Means what? Center will be minus g and minus f and radius will be square root g square plus f square minus c. Okay. This is the general equation of circle. When center and radius is given, we have to follow these steps. When equation is given and we have to find out the center and radius, then we have to follow this step. Okay. Center of the circle will be minus g minus f and radius will be square root g square plus f square minus c. Now we are going to study some characteristics of the general equation of circle. This is the general equation of circle. X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. If g square plus f square minus c is equal to 0, means what? Then the equation represent the point circle. And if g square plus f square minus c is less than 0, then the equation does not represent 0. If the radius is less than 0, means that is not the circle. Okay. Then the equation of circle has some properties. By critically observing this equation, see, this is a second degree, means highest power is 2. That's why it is a second degree equation in x and y. And coefficient of x square is equal to coefficient of y square. Then only we can say that the given equation is equation of circle. Coefficient of x square is equal to coefficient of y square. Then another is there is no xy term. See, there is no xy term. This is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. These are the three properties of equation of general equation of circle. Thank you.